Hey guys, it's Kellen with Family Handyman. Today I'm going to teach you a few car detailing tips that'll save you a little bit of money. Actually, not a little, about 200 bucks. So let's get started. To wash your car, you're going to want to use a spot-free car wash solution. You do not want to use dishwasher soap because that ruins the paint on your car. And then for actually scrubbing, you want to use a microfiber sponge because it holds in that dirt and grime. It does not scratch your car. And then to dry the car off, you're going to want to use a microfiber drying towel because it does not leave any fibers on the surface of your car. Before I even start cleaning the car, this is a great opportunity to clean and lubricate some hinges and latches. So to clean, I use WD-40, and then to lubricate, I use 3-in-1. I do the hood latch, I do the door hinge, and the trunk latch. Before I even start washing the car, I rinse from the top down. And doing that, I get all the dust and the grime off, so when I'm scrubbing with the soap, I'm not scrubbing it into the paint. And the same top-down theory goes for the inside. So you clean from the top down, and all the dust and everything settles on the floor, and I can vacuum it up. A lot of people forget to clean their windows, but when you do clean them, it makes a huge difference. That's why I like to use this streak-free glass cleaner. And there's one part of the window you do not want to forget. So all you do, you roll it down, and there's this line of grime that you want to make sure that you hit. So all you have to do is use this, and you're good to go. To clean your dash and your door, you can use a microfiber sponge and some soapy water, but the real DIYer's trick is the paintbrush. You can get into every nook and cranny of your car, and you can even get into the vents. This is dust's worst enemy. To clean my floors and seats, I'm going to use this handheld carpet cleaner, and then after I'm done with that, I'm going to hit it with a vacuum, and it's going to look like it just drove off the lot. That's it for these car detailing tips, guys. Hopefully they make your car nice and spiffy again. For more tips like these, you can head to familyhandyman.com.